Hello! Welcome to this video about critical thinking. You have probably heard of the term critical thinking before, or maybe been told to think critically about something. But what exactly does it mean? Why should you care about it? And how do you apply it in practice? Let's start with the definition. Critical thinking can be described as the ability to think clearly and rationally about what to do or what to believe. Therefore, critical thinking can help you make better decisions to improve the quality of your and others' lives. And because you think and make many choices each and every day, thinking just a little more critically can improve your decision-making enormously. This applies to all aspects of life, from personal relationships to your career, even to voting in elections. So, how do you think critically in practice? Well, it's easier than you might think. Maybe unknowingly you have even been doing some of these things already. Essentially, critical thinking is about two things: information and the conclusions you draw from it. You will then need to collect information, assess it, draw conclusions, and finally, evaluate those conclusions. Unfortunately, critical thinking can be very abstract, and it can be hard to keep in mind what to remember. Luckily, there are some simple questions that can help you. Imagine a time a person told you something and try to answer those questions. Who said it? A friend of yours? Someone in a position of power? Does it matter who said it? What did they say? Was it a fact or an opinion? Did they give you all the information or just some of it? Where did they say it? Was it in private or public? Would anyone hold them accountable if they were not telling the truth or speculating? When did they say it? Does the time matter? Was it right before an important event? Why did they say it? Did they tell you why they said it? Could they want to make someone look good or bad? How did they say it? Did they say it out loud or write it? Were they sad, happy, angry when they said it? Do remember that these questions are not something you learn once. Critical thinking is a consistent work progress that gets easier with time, just like exercising a muscle. Thank you for your attention and good luck!